If you're looking to streamline the way you engage with your community, Educa Groups can help you. You can now create any number of groups that sit alongside your classes. Classes remain the primary way to organise your children and represent the child's homeroom. Groups allow you to reflect the diversity of your programme. Some examples of groups you may set up include breaking down each class into days of the week, organising the children by attendance, groups for extracurricular activities or school subjects, support groups for children with additional learning needs, managing room transitions. Only site administrators can create a group. They can do this through the Classes and Groups page. Start by selecting the Group tab and clicking Add Group. Select a descriptive name for the group. Then link all the teachers who need access to the group. If your site has class privacy turned on, only these linked teachers will be able to see this group. Finally, select the children who are part of the group. A child can be added to as many groups as required. To set your group live, simply click Save. Your groups will be accessible from the All Children page. When writing a group story, you can now select a group or a class to write the story for. This will make it easier to find the children you wish to link to the story. If you have permission to write on the message board, you can also select a specific group to share a message with. This will help define the audience for your message and ensure families are only seeing relevant information. You can extend this further by creating groups that are reflective of the family's situation. For instance, you could create groups for event volunteers, PTA or committee members, or new families at your centre. Site administrators will set these up following the same process. Simply link the family's child to the group and those parents will be tied into that group. Then use the message board to send these families information which specifically relates to their situation. This helps define your message board as the primary information source for your community. You may also want to communicate with specific teachers privately. This can also be achieved by setting up groups. You may wish to organise your teachers by their role within your organisation, teams collaborating on a project, or professional development interests. Your site administrator will create these groups following that same process. They will need to link the appropriate teachers, although they don't need to link any children to these groups. Once these teacher groups are set up, head to the teacher messages where you can write a message for that specific group of teachers. Only the teachers in that group will see your message. Groups is an incredibly flexible and powerful tool. These are just some ideas to get you started. Don't hesitate to reach out to our support team if you have any questions. We're more than happy to help you tailor this tool to meet your needs.